Alright, peace family. Kareem, aka K-Mac, back again with another video. I know we had a couple days off, which was Thursday and Friday. We'll be back again today to film a video on app called Intro Maker. It is an app you can find in the Google Play Store. I'm not sure if it's on the Apple platform, but it's called Intro Maker, as you can see. And this is just a way that you can download and create your own intro to your YouTube channels, for like YouTube channels. So you see here, they have one here, there's different ones. Anytime you see this one right here, how it has that little thing in the corner, that VIP, that's where you have, that's a paid version. All right, but a lot of these, they do have some free versions. Sometimes the free version is standard def and not HD, so that's the main difference. But let's just go ahead real quick and make a quick video. Let's take a look. Now this one you see I already have downloaded, so we hit edit here, and as you can see as we come along, it's a timeline. So you see title here, subtitle there. Those are these two tabs, the two tabs on the bottom. Sorry, let me go back one. Go back one more. Yeah, I'm not sure if you can see the what I'm tapping, because this is in on Android. This app doesn't always allow to show touches, but see where it says subtitle there in the darker blue and title here in the lighter blue? That also shows you at what time in the video this will occur. All right, so let's just take it from the beginning, the way they have it here. Let's just press play. As you can see, the title here shows up, subtitle, then the background. Now to adjust that, we simply could do this. We can shorten this, right? The time it starts. Right, so that's all we have to do. Let's go back here. Let's go all the way to the end. See that arrow? We can shorten this where it says subtitle. We can move that here. For the title one, once we click on it, the one that says title, right? So here we adjust what we want to show there. So let's just say, I'm gonna say K-Mac 1031 for mine. I'm gonna put check, and then I'm gonna change the font. Just see, I like that font right there. All right, so I hit done. And now we can see in the video as it comes across. Let's start it from the beginning. You see, I got K-Mac all the way at the beginning. See, now it says subtitles and lighting. So you could play around with this, guys. Like I said, especially if you more artistically inclined, and we could even move this across, right? So I could start this later. Let's see. I could have these two, I could change the position. I could have subtitle here first, shorten that, you see what I mean? So now it won't even appear together. See, I'll have subtitle, then it'll say my name. See, just because I moved that bottom bar. If I want to add, I can add text, I can add sticker. Let's add a sound right here, right? So I can add a sound. And so I'm going to choose movies, right? And I'll choose the boom. So we here. All right, that's the sound. So yeah, we want to add that. And you see here how it has a cinematic boom where it starts. So I can start it here, right? And it'll be a wait for it moment. Boom. All right, let's pause that. I'll move the boom to here. And here, this is what I'll put. Like, share, subscribe. Boom. I hit the check. So I'll have that come in first. All right, so you even see how that made it outside the box. What I'll do is I'll hit the design button here in the middle. I'm sorry, I'll hit the text button. I'm sorry, you know, I'm one shot Billy, so I'm doing this on the go. No, this is just the style. The design is the text, the type text. All right, so let's rock with that. Like, share, subscribe. All right, so we hit done. Not now. All right, so you see how it starts off now? I have the, let's watch now. Like, share, subscribe. Boom. KMac 1031. Everything coming back. And like I said, this is something very simple. So if you guys, you know, I just wanted to show you the app. This is just, I think, something useful. Again, this is, we going with the, if you have no resources, you're hungry, you want to get started right away, you know, check this app out. Again, it's called Intro Maker. Let's see here. I'm not going to save that for right now. Intro Maker is the name of the app. And let me take a look and see what it looks like. So here it is right here. It's the one to the right of Netflix, Intro Maker. That's what you'll see when you search for it. All right, so again, that's pretty much it for this video. Again, my name is Kareem, aka KMac, and we signing off. Say, hey, McMac.
Hi.
All right, peace. We out of here, y'all. See you on the next video. All right, later.